Guys, Alexis here. Welcome to All Things Lex. Wow, so I just hit 1,200 subscribers the other day, and I'm just kind of shocked. It happened really quickly over the weekend. I went from like a couple hundred to over 1,000, and so I just want to say thank you to everybody that has shown any level of support for me, my videos, and my channel. And a special shout out to any subscribers that have been with me since the beginning. If any of you are still around, thank you so much for watching. And on that note, I just want to say that online harassment is a foreign territory for me. It's new and it sucks. Online bullying sucks, and I feel for anybody that has gone through it. And with that said, like, just please keep your hate away. Like, this channel is just supposed to be fun and carefree. There's going to be some tech. There's going to be a lot of outdoor adventures. There's going to be some movie reviews. You know, maybe sometimes I'm going to be a little sexy. Other times, not. So, somebody told me that I was going to hell because I was wearing a tank top in my unboxing video. I think that's a little extreme of me. Calm down, people. It's just YouTube. It's not my fault you're crazy or you're an asshole, you know? Don't bring it here. None of us want you here. This is just a fun, free-for-all channel. Whatever your race, gender, nationality, sexual preferences, LGBTQ, everybody is welcome to come hang out with me on my channel. Now that I've hit 1,000 subscribers, I think there's some new features that I can utilize through YouTube, and I'm going to look into that a little more, but hopefully you would give us a chance to interact a little bit. So if anybody's going through anything, this is a safe, judgment-free zone right here. Well, here on this channel. Anyways, thank you guys so much for your support. Please stay tuned in for whatever comes next. And I will be posting a second video this weekend because my birthday's coming up and I am taking my very first international vacation and going to Thailand, and I need some help with that. So I'm going to post a little video to go over some things, and hopefully you guys can provide me some tips and feedback. And I hope that everybody has a great weekend and stays tuned. And again, thank you so much for all of your support and to all of my new subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.